Hey guys, we're at Hampden Park crossing, East Sussex, and we're just about to go and see SPS barriers. SPX barrier, old barriers.
This is when the Hampden crossing was here. So
Yeah.
here are the old SPX barriers from the old crossing.
There.
Come on. There you go. There's the old barriers. You can see the light. There's the light.
Yeah.
I think they could be new. One of them's old, one of them could be new. But I'm thinking about rounding, get a vehicle sort of crossing.
Which car? I might actually upload this.
Yeah, I am. I'm going to keep recording to the video. I'm not going to be doing I'm going to do a quick facial video. So let me just try and sort this out. I'll turn it on.
Hey guys, thank you for 6 subs. Hang on, let me just sort the camera out. There you go. Hey guys, thanks. Hey guys, just like to say thanks for 6 subscribers. Keep on liking my videos, watching my videos, subscribing. It really makes me want to upload videos. Hope you guys really enjoy this special vlog video. Hope you enjoy. See you next video.